Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to wrap text in Google Sheets on computer. So how to wrap text in Google Sheets on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets work page. Here I will immediately select one of the columns and type long text. Unfortunately, I paste it directly. Well, you can see here that the long text will go to the side. Let's try to tap enter. Well, here the text will not go below and it won't work. So how do you do it? Here I will use wrap text. Just point the cursor to the menu here. There are many menu options here. Tap this menu. Now 3 tap wrap menu options will appear in the middle. You can see here that it is changed to down and is neater. You can arrange it by pulling the column line to the side like I did here. You can see it's neater. So that's it, tutorial how to wrap text in Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.